Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to copy a text from image. First thing you need to do is to browse through your photos and select the image that contains the text you want to extract. When the image is open in full view, look for the option related to text recognition. You can find that on most iPhone models and Samsung models. This icon might appear as a yellow T or a live text icon like the text lines in a box, depending on your phone's brand. On Samsung is a yellow T, on iPhones it's a live text icon, and on Google Pixel just tap and hold the text in the image. The text will be automatically highlighted from there. You can select all or part of the text. Tap copy to copy it to your clipboard, then paste the text anywhere, like notes, messages, documents, emails, etc. If your device doesn't support built-in text in recognition, you can use Google Lens or a free app like Text Scanner or Microsoft Lens. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.